Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been a long time since the last time I posted, but today I'm back with a DIY. I'm going to show you guys how you make the popular acrylic keychains. So if you want to see how you make these cool keychains, please keep watching. I also wanted to share the exciting news. I left you guys with a little cliffhanger the last time. I let you guys know that I was starting my own business, a small business, and I sell personalized items. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of the stuff that I make or buy, it would mean the world to me. I will leave a link down in the description or here on the screen to my Facebook page, and you can contact me there, or you can always find me on Instagram. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the background to the keychain. This person chose purple. Go ahead and add the purple to it. You can customize it to anything you want. Then I'm going to add the letter K. The letter K is the beginning letter of their first name. I will be using transfer tape to transfer this onto the keychain. I'm going to center it as best possible. Remember, these are handmade, so nothing's ever going to be perfect, but I can sure get it as close as I can to it. Just make sure it doesn't get any air bubbles on it. You slowly peel it off, and so far that's how it's looking. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and transfer the name. She has a very unique name, so these keychains are perfect for those of you who have kids, or if you yourself have a unique name and it's hard for you guys to find stuff with your names on it. So I'm going to go ahead and add the full name on top of the K, and I'm going to try and center that. If this is the first time you find my channel, please consider subscribing. I post anything from, basic mom stuff, not basic, but mom, responsibilities, anywhere from cooking, cleaning. I do a lot of DIYs. I'm going to start posting a lot of Cricut related items. Since I am starting my own small business, I will be recording little stuff here and there. So if you guys are interested in learning any of those things, or if it interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions on how to do any type of project, please drop it down in the comments and I will try my best to answer it. For this specific keychain, I will be using a UV resin. It's super easy to use. You just go ahead and pour it on the acrylic keychain, pour a good amount, and then you're going to spread it out with a silicone spoon or with a glove on your finger and just smear it all around. And then with a lighter, just go ahead and pop any air bubbles that it might have. Just be super careful that you do not burn it or burn yourself, so just take little breaks here and there until you get the air bubbles out. Next, I'm going to carefully lift it and place it underneath my UV light. I used my nail one, and just go ahead and put it in a few seconds, 30 seconds until it feels hard. It shouldn't feel too sticky. So if it feels sticky, just go ahead and put it in again until you get the dry. Next, I'm just going to add the key rings to it. Use my pliers to close it. Just make sure it closes or lines up somewhat. And then at the very tip of it, I'm going to add the little tassel. And there you guys go. It was super easy to make. Takes a couple of minutes, and if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and